Hi, I'm Bob Purcell. I look forward to seeing you at an upcoming fantastic thread class. I've been involved with thread for 26 years. It's my life. And as you come to the class at the show, here's what we're going to teach. First of all, thread may not sound very interesting, but I promise it is entertaining and very educational. My goal is to help you solve 98% of any problem you encounter in sewing. Maybe you have thread that is linty. Maybe it gums up with the needle. Maybe you have bad stitches on top, bad stitches on the bottom. Maybe the needle isn't working right. Maybe it's a tension setting. Guaranteed we're going to solve a lot of those. We're going to talk about thread qualities. Is it okay to quilt with polyester? Can you piece with poly? Is cotton the best one? How about some of the newer nylon threads on the market? Is rayon okay? How about silk threads? We're going to talk about needles. Surprisingly, there's one needle that is used by, I would say, 80% of the professional quilters and sewers and craft makers and embroiderers in the nation. One style. I will teach you what style that is. We'll talk about tension settings. If your machine is one of the newer machines that has automatic tension, a great feature, but it's not enough. Real simple, we're going to teach you how to adjust tensions to get the perfect stitch. I hope you'll join us. See you soon.